Yo, yo, I've got a neat little tool to show you all. Now, because I've been doing a lot of YouTube videos, I've nearly been doing it for a year now, I think. I get a lot of people reaching out, wanting to partner up, wanting me to shill their product. Mainly it's people reaching out from anti-detect web browsers. They want me to do a video about their browser and partner up and use a referral code and all that. The point I'm getting at is I get a lot of people messaging me trying to get me to shill their product in my videos. But the rule I have is if I use it and if I will use it, only then will I partner with that person, that software, that company or whatever, and speak about their product in my videos. So this thing here is no different. FanGrowth. The other day, this legend, I think her name was Linda, I think she's a software dev from FanGrowth, she reached out and she saw my other video how I was generating NSFW captions and stories using a variation of ChatGPT called Freedom GPT. It allows you to essentially, as I said, create NSFW captions and whatever. She reached out and said, hey, I've actually got software that does something similar, and even better, it's also got an inbuilt scheduler for Reddit, Twitter, and all that. And she's also been asking me if I've got any requests for any other software ideas. So that's cool. So that said to me that they are legit. So I checked it out. And sure enough, their website's fucking awesome. Now, it's free to use. Up until, obviously, it's always a freemium model. But this caption generator is free to use. So all of that to say, I am partnered with these FanGrowth guys, and I do have a link below with a referral code or whatever. But that also means that I love their product, and that's the only reason I'm talking about it. I've turned back 99% of these other software companies and pitches, and that's why I stick with Dolphin Anti and now FanGrowth. To be fair, Incogniton anti-detect web browser is not too bad as well. But Dolphin Anti, you're my boy. All right, anyway, NSFW Captions. So in my newly launched Discord, link below, I never really thought it was a big deal coming up with captions. You know, you just got to sit there for a while, get creative, get the pen out, come up with some ideas. But then you do it over and over and over again, and then with different models, and it just becomes a headache because all of a sudden you're creating all these captions for all these models, for all these social media platforms, and you just run out of steam. It just gets fucking exhausting. So you start coming up with ways to automate it. And yeah, what was I talking about Discord? I can't remember. Anyway, someone was reaching out saying, hey, do you have any ideas for captions? And I said, well, you start off. Look, you just got your first model. You haven't even started marketing her yet. Bruh, at least use your noggin first. And then when you're scaling up, then you can look at automating. But at the start, you know, get creative here because you got to learn how to do it yourself. And then when you come to outsource it, when you start growing and you want to outsource these things, then at least you know how to do it. Same with chatting and whatever. Anyway, so let's have a little run through this. NSFW Captions Generator. Now what you do, say you are getting ready to schedule a week's worth of Reddit content, week's worth of Instagram content, whatever. And if you're using a scheduler like you should be, you want to come up with a heap of captions all at once. So first of all, you use these tags in FanGrowth and you go, okay, what niche is this model? Now, pregnant, okay, there's a couple. YouTube, cover your eyes, mate, cover your eyes. Tentacles, all right, no. Look, we'll just go with amateur and then not animated, and then we'll go ass, and then that's probably actually good enough for now. Okay, yeah, let's pretend she's in a bikini as well, all right? So she's in a bikini, she's showing off her booty, and you want to get some captions lined up because you get a week's worth of beach pictures that the model sent to you to use, all right? So now we're going to get captions. Now note that I haven't signed into anything. I simply just open up this website and boom, it gets to work, all right? So here's the captions. Nurse don't wear thong under her scrubs. Mummy doesn't use condoms. Boo! Hopefully cooking for you like this won't be too much of a distraction. Felt like showing off. What do you think it tastes like? Now, what I noticed about these captions is it's not too bad because they're not too specific in their captions, which means if you have a bunch of, for example, in this example, bikini ass pictures, and then you have a caption specifically talking about the angle or the color of her bikini, then that means you're going to have to keep generating them for each different photo. But what I like about this website is it's not too specific, but it relates. So then you can just kind of use it as captions for that bundle of content. As I said, bikini, you know, you got a bunch of bikini content, but you don't need to worry about assigning specific captions to a specific piece of content. Now, as I said, when you scale and you get VAs and that, what you can do is you can even just get them to do this and generate their own captions. So say, boom, here's all the content I want uploaded this week. Here's the tags I want you to use, or, you know, depending how creative they are, depending how competent they are, they will see the pictures and go, okay, she's wearing a bikini, she's got a big booty, and it's not professional, so therefore it's amateur, and they can generate their own captions. So that's just one example. All right, now, so as I said, you don't need to log in. You just open this up and fire away. Now, as I said, it is a freemium model, and then they also have schedulers. Now they have Reddit and Twitter schedulers. What I would say is this: I have used this for Reddit. I have not used it for Twitter, because what I've done with Twitter is since Elon Musk took over, I've paused everything for Twitter, now known as X. I recommend you do the same. Don't worry about learning too much about marketing on X, because it is getting updated every day. They're changing shit. Like, for example, the API access. So the thing that allows software to create the API key, the API access, which allows these third-party websites to schedule content on Twitter. That's the thing that integrates the scheduler into Twitter, so you can, X, so you can schedule content. That thing, here's an example. They recently started charging for that, which means all these free schedulers you use suddenly had to go, shit, what do we do? So that's just an example I'm getting at. So don't lock any kind of marketing into X at the moment. That's a whole nother video, but I actually think X will be an alternative to OF. But what I'm getting at is that overall, just don't worry about Twitter too much. But yeah, it's a Reddit schedule as well, so even better. So what you can do if you're outsourcing or if you're you can just open this up in your anti-detect and then have one tab open for the scheduler, one tab open for captions, and then one tab open with the Google Drive folder full of the content you're using, and fire away. And oh yeah, I forgot about this. This is fucking awesome as well. So a list of the best NSFW subreddits. Now, I didn't log in to see this either. I simply just opened the website and started clicking buttons, and there you go. So it didn't ask me to sign up and all that. So yeah, so that's pretty good. So you can see why I wanted to partner with them and why I didn't knock them back, because it's fucking legit and it saves you a lot of effort. And therefore, I want to tell my watchers, my subscribers about this, because I've started using it and it saves a lot of time having these all in the same spot. So that's it. Now I'll keep this short and sharp because I'm running on like negative sleep, and that's what you got to do. You just got to hustle. You got to hustle and bustle. All right. So anyway, that's it. FanGrowth.io. Click the link below, because then I get a little kickback. So, you know, that's cool too. And by the way, while you're there, if you like my sauce, if you like my goss, and you think I put out some cool content and it's helping you, well then join my Discord via the link below, and there's even more in that. Discord's awesome. Discord's got a whole section just for downloadable content, which is where I upload fucking look at this. Then you got daily TikTok trends, model leads, all in a Discord, all 49 bucks. There you go. When you can find a course or a service that matches that value for the price, well, then feel free to unsubscribe, but you won't do that. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Join the link below. Join Discord using the link below, and I'll see you on the next video.